Oh shit, there's somebody outside, brother. Kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him. Let's find him, let's find him, let's find him. What are you looking at? I'm playing PUBG. Oh yes, PUBG is back to India. Kill him, kill him. Yes, yes, I got him, I got him. Not really. So let me begin this. There's a lot of us around this game these days. I mean, it's been almost 15 to 20 days and everybody is talking about PUBG Mobile. But we know that PUBG has been banned a couple of months back and it's never coming back. But why all of a sudden everybody is talking about PUBG? Because PUBG is coming back to India as PUBG Mobile India. Yeah, I mean, surprised, right? I mean, I'm happy and I'm sure you're happy with it if you are a player. Isn't that a good news? I mean, that's a good news for me. I mean, if you're a player and if you love playing PUBG, dude, it's a good news to you. But guess what? Good news always comes with bad news, isn't it? So, the bad news is, unfortunately, the government did not approve this yet. There are a lot of rumors around it that PUBG has been approved by the government and it is going to launch sometime around in December first week. But no, that's a fake news. I mean, it's a rumor, right? It's going to be a rumor, and here's the proof for it. You can read this content, and this is clearly mentioned in Inside Sports News, which was given by the Ministry of Government India. However, there is a partial truth to that rumor. PUBG Mobile India did register as a company in India, but it still needs an approval from Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Are we going to get it? We don't know. Let's wait and see. If you really want to know what's happening around PUBG, do not follow fake news or rumors that you keep seeing in YouTube. They are just for the clickbait, for the views that they can get it. However, I will provide all the links to the official PUBG Mobile India websites, be it Facebook, Instagram or the YouTube page. So follow these pages to get more information regarding the PUBG Mobile India launch. There are also rumors. So I would like to have this rumor to become true because I love this and I wanted this to be true. So they say that all of these PUBG Mobile India locations would be based out of India, like be it any other famous location like Taj Mahal or Charminar from Hyderabad and different locations. I mean, who wouldn't be very happy to play with India locations? After all, we are Indians. Okay, that's a rumor that I'm more happy about. And there are few links which are being given by a few of them in YouTube's, and I also see them in Google, which provides you to download APK file for the PUBG Mobile India, and that's not true because PUBG Mobile India has officially not launched any APK beta versions or any files to download these. So do not download these files, and it could be anything. It could be virus, or it could be a hack, or it could be anything. We don't know that. So do not click this and just follow the links that I will be providing in the description, and follow those links which can help you with the information needed on PUBG Mobile. PUBG is just a game. Keep that in your mind and do not overplay it. Just play it. And always remember, PUBG always comes somewhere in the last in your priority list. Life and career should always come first. And please keep that in mind and do not spoil your career. And hopefully you like this video, and if you like it, please do like it, thumbs up, and subscribe the channel. And thank you. Bye bye.